Okay, Kipsters. So make sure you have a paper and a pencil ready. So when I read the questions, you can record your answers on your paper. And when this video is done, you can pass your answers to the exit ticket and submit it. So the first question reads, which sentence from page 19 explains why taking pictures of snowflakes was difficult? So remember, we're looking for an answer that demonstrates why taking pictures of snowflakes was difficult. So the answer choices are A. When he found only jumbo broken crystals, he brushed the tray clean with a turkey feather and held it out. B. He made over 100 photographs during the 2-day storm. C. Some winters he was able to make only a few dozen good pictures. And D. If he twitched muscle as he held the snow crystal on the long wooden stick, the snowflake would break. So remember, which of these answer choices demonstrate why taking a picture of a snowflake was difficult? When you record your answer, write on your paper, why did you choose this answer? Write a short sentence of describing why the answer that you chose is the correct one. You can pause this video while you are writing. Question number 2. What effect did publishing Bentley's book have? What effect did publishing Bentley's book have? The answer choices are A. He made lots of money from selling the book. B. He set up a museum of his work. C. Colleagues and universities wanted him to give presentations of his pictures. And D. He kept making pictures of snowflakes. So after he published his book, what happened? After you record your answer in the paper, write why did you choose that answer. You can pause the video while you are answering this question. Question number 3. Based on the author's description of Bentley's action, the reader can infer that Bentley A. wanted others to think his work was important. B. Cared a lot about his photographs. C. Was foolish for taking photos of snowflakes. And D. Was frustrated by how difficult photographing snowflakes was. So according to the author's description about Bentley, what can you infer about him? Choose one of these answer options, and when you're done, explain why did you choose this answer. Remember, you can pause the video while you are answering this question. Okay, guys, this one is the last question. So the question says, on page 19, the word twitched means. So what does the word twitch mean? A, relaxed. B, flexed. C, move slightly. Or D, very excited. So in the book, it said, if he twitched a muscle as he held the snow crystals on the long wooden peg, the snowflake would break. So what does twitched mean? Choose an answer and explain why did you choose this answer. You can pause the video while you're answering this question. All right, friends, this was the last question. After you finish watching this video, you will go back to your exit ticket and record your answers on the exit ticket. Remember to hit submit after you are done.